Alright, here we are. MKT, Coach's Pit BBQ.
Coach's Pit BBQ, man.
We got Justin right here. Justin, what we got?
Today we got the St. Louis style spare ribs, pork spare ribs. We got our tri-tip. We got some chicken breasts right here. And we're gonna be smoking this all today.
And this is for your sister's wedding, huh?
Yes, this is my sister's wedding for tomorrow.
For tomorrow, we're doing this right here, guys. So we're gonna be getting down, and we're cooking this on the barrel, right? The barrel.
We're gonna do this on the barrel.
Yeah.
Old-fashioned style.
Old-fashioned, baby. Hell yeah. So we're gonna get some good smoke on these suckers.
We got some cherry wood chunks here. We got some mesquite.
Got the mesquite. All right. So you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
What you got going on there, bud?
Trimming off some of this fat here. Got a lot of extra fat. Want to have a nice clean rib when we're done here.
Oh, baby. What we got there, Justin? What we got there?
Got some St. Louis style ribs.
Baby.
Throw these in here.
Look at that color. Yeah. All right, Justin, what you got?
Got some AP on this chicken here.
Ooh, look at that color. Nice. Initial layer with beef, right?
Yep. Do a light coating of beef. Finished off with some AP here.
Nice. Got tri-tip. It's tri-tip training time. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this, baby. Wee.
Let's make this last one fit here.
Make it fit, make it fit.
And she fits.
All right, so we got our tray tip nicely done, nicely seasoned on our barrel smoker. And now it's the trimming, hands-on training side of it. All right, Justin, you ready?
Yep.
Now, a tri-tip has 3 different muscles, okay? So there's one here, one there, and one there. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slice it right through the middle between 2 and 3. Right here.
Put it down the middle.
Yes, sir.
Just right here? Or do you want to angle it?
Angle it. There you go. Angle it right there. Perfect. All the way through. There you go. Perfect. Now show me. Yep, that's good. Perfect. That's the slice we want right there. You can see those little grains. That's exactly what you want. Nice little smoking right there. The grains look perfect. Smoking looks good. That is a good cut. Now what we want to do, now that we cut with the grain, now we're going to cut against the grain. You got it? 45 degrees. Perfect. See that? That's the one you want. And we are done.
A lot of work today, Coach.
A lot of work today. And we're burning the midnight oil today, aren't we?
Oh, yeah.
Holy smokes. All right, what we got? What we got?
Got our ribs right here.
Got the ribs right there.
Tri-tip.
What else? Tri-tip.
Tri-tip was.
Tri-tip
That's
was
money.
money.
Chicken.
Chicken. Two plates of chicken.
Don't forget to spread barbecue love.
That's right. Spreading barbecue love here at Coach's Pit. All right, guys. Coach's Pit Barbecue is out.